Good morning, students. Today I'm going to tell you about the cell wall, which are present in mainly prokaryotes and in the plant cells. So, in eukaryotes also, this cell wall is present in some organisms. So, first of all, the cell wall, which is the outer covering of the cell, and it is absent in animals. एनिमल्स में सेल मेम्ब्रेन प्रेजेंट है, सेल वॉल जो है वो प्लांट्स, कुछ यूकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड प्रोकैरियोट्स में सेल वॉल जो है वो प्रेजेंट है. सो द थिकनेस ऑफ दिस सेल वॉल इज 0.1 माइक्रोन मीटर to 10 micron meter, and it is different in different cells. And the source of this is it is secreted by the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm secrete करता है सेल वॉल की फॉर्मेशन करने में. So now I'm going to tell you about the physical structure of this cell wall. So cell wall consists of two main region and these are primary wall and secondary wall. ठीक है, two types की wall present है, primary and secondary. अगर हम wall के structure को microscopic level पे देखें, then for example this one is the cell wall. Okay, और अगर हम सिर्फ इस portion को we see it under the microscope, then this structure is visible like this. उसमें macrofibril present होंगे. ठीक है, and if we see this macrofibril and we open this one segment of this macrofibril, then it is formed by microfibrils. Okay, so these are all microfibrils which comes together and form this macrofibril. And each microfibril is made up of micelle. Okay, so when we open this microfibril, this is the microfibril. I draw it here. And this microfibril, when we cut this section, when we cut this section, one fragment of this microfibril, then we see the detailed structure of this micelle. This whole structure is micelle and it is made up of cellulose actually. ठीक है, जब भी हम बात करें cell wall की, then the cellulose is present in this cell wall and we see the composition of cell wall, then cellulose is always present. So how this cellulose is formed? Cellulose is a basic unit, we can say that, which form the micelle. Micelle बनाएगा, micelle made this microfibril, microfibrils make this macrofibril, and then formation of cell wall occurs. So this cellulose is formed by the glucose. Number of glucose molecules combine together and form this polysaccharide, which is called cellulose. It is a polysaccharide actually, and this is monosaccharide. Okay, glucose is monosaccharide and is present in hexose form. हेक्सा स्ट्रक्चर होता है, 6 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल जो इसमें अटैच है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड हेक्सोज. एंड दिस ग्लूकोज joined together by 1,4-glycosidic linkage. I'll tell you about this glycosidic linkage in biomolecules, that how the two glucose molecules combine together. ठीक है, उनके बीच में एक बॉन्ड होगा और उस बॉन्ड को हम बोलते हैं 1,4-glycosidic linkage. 1,4 क्यों? एक तो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे होगी अटैचमेंट और एक फोर्थ पोजीशन पे होगी, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज 1/4 एंड ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज. So next one is that this one is actually cell wall and we can say that this is primary cell wall. The outer one is called primary cell wall and the other one is called secondary cell wall. Okay, and then this purple color structure is called cell membrane. So I think I asked this question in one of the tests, that secondary wall lies at which position, I think. So it is it is present in the inner side or the outer side. ठीक है, तो most of the student wrote the answer that secondary cell wall present outside. सबसे बाहरी जो लेयर है, द आउटर लेयर इज द प्राइमरी सेल वॉल. प्राइमरी सेल वॉल सबसे बाहर होगी, देन सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल. ठीक है, अब वो कैसे अराइज करेगी मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल अंदर कैसे है. देन दिस वन इज सेल मेम्ब्रेन एंड दिस पिंक कलर इज कॉल्ड मिडल लैमेला. what it is called middle lamella. And then this one is the second cell. Okay, this one is the first cell and this one is the second cell actually. And what is this middle lamella? It is the intracellular substance between two adjacent and mainly composed of calcium and magnesium. Okay, so this one is like some substance. It is like a glue between the two cells. Okay, example there you that it act like a glue, or we can say that in scientific manner it is a intracellular substance which present between two adjacent cells. दो adjacent cells के बीच में present है, and mainly it is composed of calcium and magnesium. So the primary cell wall present in the meristematic cells, or we can say that in the growing cell. Okay, जो primary cell wall होगी, if it is present in growing cell. और जो secondary cell wall है, it present in mature cells. mature cells में जो है secondary cell wall present होगी, immature cells में आपको देखने को नहीं मिलेगी secondary wall. So there are 3 stages or 3 layers of this secondary cell wall, that is S1, S2 and S3. Okay, so this one is S1, inner one is S2 and then S3, and this red is primary cell wall. Okay, then secondary cell wall 1, secondary cell wall 2 and secondary cell wall 3, and then this pink layer is called cell membrane. और ये जो सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल है, इट इज नॉट यूनिफॉर्म इन ऑल द सेल्स. ठीक है, यूनिफॉर्म स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होगा इसका, डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर होगा. इसीलिए आपको बहुत सारे प्लांट सेल्स में बहुत टाइप के सेल वॉल देखने को मिलेगी. वहां पर जो है पेरेन्काइमस सेल्स टाइप ऑफ दिखेंगे आपको, स्क्लेरेन्काइमा, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ये जो टिश्यूज हैं वो कैसे बनते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टिश्यूज तब बनते हैं जब जो सेकेंडरी सेल वॉल है ये यूनिफॉर्म नहीं होती है. सेकेंडरी वॉल इज not uniform in all the cell, that's why there's various type of tissue found we actually found in the vessels and tracheids, parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma. There are various types of this tissue which is due to the secondary wall. Now talking about pits, what are these pits? These are the formation of secondary wall which is not uniformed in all cells. ठीक है, जो secondary wall है at certain places it is not let down and such areas are called pits. मतलब कि कुछ, for example this one, okay, we are taking this example. This one is the red color is primary cell wall and this one is the secondary wall formation. Okay, this purple color one, and there are some gaps. You can clearly see that there are some gaps which are called pits actually, and this pit is actually helping in the, or we can say that this pit is actually semi-permeable or permeable and allows the passage of the materials. It actually helps in the material to passes from cell wall to the inner membrane. Okay, so let me draw this pit actually. This one is the middle lamella and this one is the primary wall. Like, let me write it here. Middle lamella and then primary wall then this is pit pore, actually pit pore, or we can say that pit cavity. And the structure which extrude itself from the membrane is called bordered pit. Let me write it here, bordered pit. Okay, it allows the passage of the material to go through in or permeable to some materials. And this border pit is actually called in the gymnosperms. Okay, so gymnosperms are those which have the naked seeds. So this one is a physical structure of the cell wall, which is actually made up of cellulose, or we can say that glucose bind by this glycosidic linkage, then this cellulose form this micelle make this microfibrils combine together and form macrofibril, and then this cell wall formation occurs. Now this chemical composition of this cell wall, how this cell wall is formed by. So the first one material that is present in cellulose, which is a polysaccharide. I told you about that. Polysaccharide having the long chain of glucose units. Simple. I show the structure that how the glucose unit combine together form cellulose, and cellulose combine together to form the cell wall. Second one is hemicellulose, is also present in the cell wall, and it is also a polysaccharide which is made up of sugar, glucose and various side chains of sugar. ठीक है, शुगर से मिलके बना हुआ है, ग्लूकोज से मिलके बना हुआ है, एंड वेरियस साइड चेन्स ऑफ शुगर. Pectins, third one is pectins, unbranched polysaccharide and rich in galacturonic acid. Pectins जो है वो unbranched polysaccharide है. These are branched, and this is rich in galacturonic acid. Galacturonic acid. Fourth one is proteins. So there are two types of protein present in the cell wall, and these two types are, first one is extensins protein, extensins, and the other one is expansin. What is the function of this extensin and expansin? Extensin provides structural support to the cell wall. Okay, it provides structural support to the cell wall, and expansin provide expansion of the cell wall. Okay, it provide expansion of the cell wall actually. Next one is about water content. So water content is 60 to 70% present in the cell wall. There are some decompositions, or sorry, we can say that depositions also present in the cell wall. और ये depositions क्या क्या हैं? First one is lignin. What is this lignin? It is a tough glue-like substance composed of aldehyde and coniferal alcohol unit, and it is impregnated in the primary and secondary walls of the cell wall in the woody plants. Okay, so just remember that it is present in woody plants, and along with the cellulose it makes wood fit. Actually, this lignin makes a wood fit for use as a construction material, and the addition of lignin is called lignification. ये एक्चुअली वुड को कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए जो यूज होती है वुड, उसको एक्चुअली बनाने में हेल्प करती है. सेकेंड वन इज क्यूटिन. Cutin. So what is this cutin? It is a fat like substance deposited on the exposed surface of the cell. ये क्या करती है? चेक करती है इवेपोरेशन की. जो सेल वॉल है, it checks evaporation of the water from the surface. ओके जो सेल सरफेस से जो इवेपोरेशन होगी उसको चेक करेगी उसकी एक्टिविटी को. थर्ड इज सुबेरिन विच इज एक्चुअली लाइक द क्योटिन. इसका भी यही काम है, check the evaporation of the cell wall. And the fourth one is silica. It is deposited in the cell walls of grasses. In the cell walls of grasses silica present होता है उनमें. Okay, so this one is about the cell wall. किससे मिलके बनी थी, उसका फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर क्या है और केमिकल कंपोजिशन क्या है. केमिकल कंपोजिशन सिंपली सेलुलोज, हेमीसेलुलोज, पैक्टिन से मिलके बनी है और कुछ प्रोटीन से मिलके बनी हुई है. एंड देन देयर आर सम डिपोजिशन, लिग्निन, क्योटिन, सुपेरिन एंड सिलिका. दिस वन इज अबाउट द सेल वॉल. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट इट.